Installing an electric fence involves several key steps to ensure it's safe and effective. Here's a step-by-step guide to help. 1. Plan and design the fence layout. Determine the purpose. Decide whether you want to keep animals in, keep animals out, or secure a specific area. Measure the area. Measure the perimeter where you plan to install the fence. Decide on the number of strands. Typically, 3 to 5 strands are sufficient for most applications, but you might need more for larger or more aggressive animals. 2. Gather materials and tools. Fence wire, usually galvanized or high tensile wire. Insulators, to keep the wire from touching the posts. To posts, metal, wood, or fiberglass. Gate, if necessary. Electric fence charger, appropriate for the size and type of animals. Grounding rods, at least 2 to 3 depending on the system size. Tools, post driver, pliers, hammer, wire cutters, and drill. 3. Install corner and end posts. Place corner posts, typically at 90-degree turns, and end posts at the boundaries first. These posts should be strong enough to handle the tension of the wire. Use a post driver or dig holes and cement the posts if needed. 4. Install intermediate posts. These are placed between the corner and end posts. Depending on the terrain, posts should be spaced 8 to 12 feet apart. Secure them in the ground either by driving them in or setting them in concrete. 5. Attach insulators to posts. Insulators keep the electric wire from touching the metal posts and shorting out. Attach them at your desired height, based on the animals you're trying to control, e.g., 6 to 8 inches off the ground for small animals, or higher for larger livestock. 6. Run the electric wire. Begin attaching the wire from the corner posts, running it through the insulators. If you're using multiple strands, make sure they are evenly spaced, usually 6 to 8 inches apart. Tension the wire appropriately, so it's tight and doesn't sag. 7. Install the energizer and grounding system. Connect the energizer. Install the electric, fence charger, energizer, close to a power source, solar, battery, or mains. Grounding system. Attach grounding rods to the energizer and connect them to the fence system to ensure proper current flow. 8. Check the fence. Test the fence with a voltage tester to make sure it's delivering an adequate shock. Walk the entire perimeter and make sure there are no short circuits or areas where the wire is touching the ground. 9. Install a gate. If needed, install an electric fence gate. Make sure the gate is properly connected to the electrical system and can be easily opened and closed. Following these steps will help you build an effective and reliable electric fence. Make sure to follow any local regulations regarding electric fencing and safety precautions. Why?